When I cook at home, I like to use just the basic ingredients. Some ingredients and seasonings are good to have and can make a dish more interesting, but they can be done away and the dish is no less tasty. My recipe for sweet sour chicken is one example. We are using 3 chicken thigh today. Cut the chicken into bite-sized cubes. Marinate the chicken with 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Marinate for at least 2 hours or longer if you have the time. We have to prepare the sauce before we start cooking. This is 3 tablespoons each of ketchup, vinegar, and sugar. Add 6 tablespoons of water and mix. Just before frying, add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch to the marinated chicken. Mix to coat the chicken evenly. With some additional cornstarch, coat the chicken cubes one by one and shake off the excess cornstarch. We can now fry the chicken cubes in batches. Add the chicken cubes when the oil is hot. After 2 minutes, turn over to cook the other side. We're using medium-high heat throughout. Turn every now and then. Turning will ensure that the chicken cubes are cooking evenly. Look at the beautiful color. We are taking it out after about 6 minutes. Drain on paper towels. For the sauce, pour the sauce we prepared earlier into the wok and let it bubble for about 1 minute. Add the chicken cubes and toss until the sauce is almost dry. My son loves this sweet sour chicken and he says it is restaurant standard. Why not cook this for Chinese New Year? Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends.